ship we go!
I hadn't actually. It worked.
We are currently in Nassau, Bahamas, and Damien and Quanda are experiencing a new rain trip.
Ain't new.
A newer, where they got caught in the rain trying to get back to the ship.
You winner. You winner.
Yes.
We're gonna get us some food first.
Yes. Yes, you can put the kick with it. Let me go dance with her real quick. Make her feel stuff.
Come on. Miko. Yeah.
All right, I got 5% battery left on my DJI. Freedom of the Seas, Carnival Freedom, and Wonders of the Seas. And I am basically cut it close, but not too close. You have to be on the ship by 5 o'clock. It is 5:48, and I will make it. So I'm less than about 3 minutes to get on the ship. As for, we got 5% left. As for the Royal Beach Club, man, I really enjoyed it. Like the atmosphere, the performances, man, they fucking cheat code. Literally a cheat code for all inclusives. You can't beat it. The food was great, the entertainment was great. Everyone had a great time. The kids enjoyed it. A lot of space to sit down and then just have a great time. But right now, I'm gonna get on the ship, hit the shower, and prepare for this Caribbean night. See what they got on the menu. Charge up my phone. My phone is straight up dead. And like I said, my DJI camera is dying. So that's the next thing.
You.
Yep. Doing all right? All right. So after this, I'm going to get ready for Caribbean night. Oxtails, hopefully. Curry goat, which is my favorite. I'm about to pig out, but had a lot to drink, had a lot of water, because you got to concentrate on that hydration. But overall, I had a great time, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now.
All right, that's it.
All right, couple more.
I know my